In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Discord. To get started, open the Discord app and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to update your email address. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look down at the bottom left corner. Next to your username, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the user settings menu, and that's where you'll need to go for account changes like this. Click the gear icon, and in the settings menu that opens, select the account tab near the top of the left sidebar. This section contains your main account details, including your current email address. Find the email field, then click the edit button beside it to begin the process. Discord will first ask you to verify the change for security reasons. Click Send Verification Code, and Discord will send a 6-digit code to the email address that's currently connected to your account. Head over to your inbox and look for that message. If you don't see it right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you've found the email, enter the 6-digit code into Discord, then click Next. In some cases, Discord may ask why you're changing your email address. If that appears, simply choose one of the options provided and continue. After that, type in your new email address carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes, since this is where future account messages and security notifications will be sent. Then enter your current password to confirm that you're authorized to make the change. Finally, click Done to save everything. Once that's complete, your Discord email will be updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email on Discord.